Hello everybody, got a bit of a mess here today. Maybe I caught it just in time. I had put some RayOVac batteries in the Vox Clocks back in October or November, whenever time change was, to fall back. And I went to spring forward. Then just out of instinct, I opened the battery compartment and both Vox Clocks had leaking batteries in them. So yeah, that's not good. So I'm trying to clean that mess up. I got this white wire here that won't accept solder, so I'm going to have to replace it. And got all the corrosion off the board and clear coated where it had ate through the covering on the circuit board. So we'll go from there and see how it cleans up and see if it still works. My next step is wrapping the replacement wire around this small screwdriver so I can stick it on that battery terminal, crimp it with a pair of pliers, and then solder it. See how that goes. Got the wire around the battery terminal post. Now I'm going to crimp it with some needle nose pliers and then solder it. Not the most beautiful solder work, but it's attached. That's all I care about. Now to do the other end on the circuit board, and I'll put some new batteries in it and make sure it still works. And now I'm attached at the other end to the circuit board. Now to reassemble and see if this thing still works.
It's 6:16 p.m.
Perfect. Now this can go back into service. And here's a quick inspection of the Vox Clock 2. It didn't fare near as bad. Just needed a quick cleanup of the battery compartment and it's good to go. I don't see needing to take this apart any further because the corrosion didn't travel up to the circuit board like it did on the Vox Clock. So I'm just going to make sure that's real good and clean and call that one good. Time for the big test.
It's 12 a.m.
Okay, awesome. So both the Vox Clocks are back in order and corrosion is mitigated. Well, let's try this again. Get them all set.
Alarm. 09, 06, 07, 08, 04, 05, 06, 08, 09, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
All ready to go back in service. Thank you for watching.